Welcome back, friends, in the series of substance use disorder. And today we have an opportunity to learn about how to apply one of the famous psychological instrument known as assist, and this is used for screening purpose of any kind of substance use disorder, and very much useful for the postgraduate students of psychiatry or psychology, MSc students, and anyone who want to know about the assist application and scoring system.
Friends, I am Dr. S.K. Pandit, head of the Department Psychiatry, Central Hospital. Today we'll learn how to apply World Health Organization screening scale known as ASSIST, Alcohol, Smoking and Substance Involvement Screening Test, and its application, how to get the score by applying this screening tool. There are many screening tools or screening instrument for substance use disorder. One of them is that is very famous and it is used for all kinds of substance is World Health Organization ASSIST tool, also known as Alcohol, Smoking and Substance Involvement Screening Test. So, to apply this screening tool, we need to have few knowledge about the questions. 7 questions we do. Number 1 question is related with the ever use of the substance. For example, first question you ask, in your life, have you ever used any substance? For example, alcohol, cannabis, bhang, charas, ganja, cigarette or sedative. If person say no, put 0. If say yes, put 3. Next question, 4 questions. Next 4 questions are related with last 3 months use of alcohol or any substance. The second question is, in the past 3 months, how often have you used cannabis or alcohol or any substance? If never, put 0. If every day, put 6. Otherwise, once monthly or weekly, put 2, 3 or 4. Similarly, the third question, during the past 3 months, how often have you had the strong desire or urge to use the substance? So this question deals with desire or urge, and the scoring is for never put 0, for daily put 6, otherwise for once monthly or weekly put 3, 4, 5 respectively. Fourth question is, during the past 3 months, how often has your use of substance led to the health, social, legal or financial problem? So this question related with the problems, and the scoring is for never put 0, for daily put 7, otherwise for once monthly or weekly put 4, 5, 6. Similarly, for last 3 month use, the last question or fourth question in ratio of last 3 month use, otherwise it is the fifth question. The question is, during the past 3 months, how often have you failed to do what was normally expected of you because of your use of substance, either alcohol, cannabis, sedative or any inhalant? For never, if the patient answer never, put 0, and if the patient answer almost daily, put 8. Otherwise, for once monthly or weekly, put 5, 6, 7 respectively. Last 2 questions related with last 3 month use, and it is related with the others concert. So sixth question is, has a friend or relative or anyone else ever expressed concern about your use of substance? If the answer is no, say put 0. If the answer is yes but not in last 3 months, then put 3. And if the answer is yes but beyond 3 months, put 6. So this is the scoring for this question. And the last question, have you ever tried or failed to control or cut down or stop the using cannabis? In that case, if the answer is no, put 0. If the answer is within 3 months, not, then put 3. And the answer is in the past 3 months, yes, then put 6. So in this way we can score assist, and for the calculating the conclusion, you add the score to receive the total score. And if the score is 0 to 3, that means mild risk of substance use. It is the lower risk. You can say it's a lower risk. If the score is between 4 to 26, there is a moderate risk. And if the score is beyond 26, there is a severe risk because of substance use. So it needs therapy, either pharmacotherapy or psychotherapy or any other modalities of treatment. Thank you.